So here's the Worthington pump, number 5060233. So this is from a Milling Bay cup and used to feed a Foster, Yates and Tom Cornish boiler. So this is the next project after the Lister D, which is now safely under the bench. And see everything's here. I'm having some new pump valve bolts. These ones made by a good friend of mine. Got one of them down there as well. See the balls. Alright. Those springs are off a Tangy duplex horizontal feed pump, so I need to get another 4 of them, which I do have in store, because the springs that came off it were totally rotten. You can see all the studs, nuts, everything are off. Steam pistons, gland nuts, water side pistons, lubricator for the steam side. There's a upper pump housing, valve rockers. There's focus works, drain valves, end cover, big roll studs. So those that have been following the channel for a while now, I've seen this before. Oh yeah, this is the first of my 8 pumps that I'm going to restore. So off down to a ploughing championships this weekend on Saturday. So there'll be a video coming up of that, and Sunday I'll either be up at Bancroft Mill for their steaming, or I will be making a start on this. So keep an eye out for those videos. Oh, thank you for watching.